Our last reaction we're going to look at is double replacement reactions, and here are some brief notes. First of all, you have to remember your state symbols. AQ means dissolved in water, and S is solid. So these are ionic reactions, and usually the first two reactants are dissolved in water, and certainly at your level, if we have two ionic compounds, you don't even have to look them up. You can just put that they're soluble for our reactants. Okay, so what happens in a double replacement? Well, sodium is dancing with chlorine and silver's dancing with nitrate. So we can bracket that off so we know that is a polyatomic. And these guys don't like their dance partner, so they are going to switch. And notice my positive switches with the positive. Okay, so now my sodium is dancing with nitrate, okay? And how do I know what these subscripts are? Well, that's a +1 and a -1 crisscross, they're the same. You always have to check what these are when we form a new compound. It doesn't matter what the subscripts are from where they're coming from, okay? And then silver is going to be dancing with chlorine. Okay, so now how do we decide if these are soluble or not? That's going to be from your solubility rules from your cheat sheet. And our solubility rules are always going to be by the anion. So if I look up nitrates right here, it says they're soluble, and over here are the exceptions to the rule where they're always soluble except when they're with these guys. Nitrates are soluble with no exception, so I can put aqueous there. Okay, and then chlorides right here, they're all in the soluble compounds as well, unless it's with silver. So chloride is normally soluble. When it's with silver, it's not. That forms a solid precipitate, and we are going to see a video about what precipitates look like. And so this is my precipitate, which is always a product. Okay, and it can be abbreviated with PPT for precipitate. Okay, so these should be in your notes.